Are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its telepathic control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
My pool is out, Steve, and on my birthday, I thought you carried on.
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Situation is 99 Secure the area. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. We're looking for this girl. No humans back here.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
She'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Oh, dear.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
My Banaki!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to it by your progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to it by progress and
And everything under control.